Hi, welcome to MarineMax. We have a Saxdor 320 GTO here. About the Saxdor is we have a bow thruster here, a stepped hull for great performance, as well as a patio that will lay out when you're ready to jump in the water and do some swimming and hanging out on the boat. We have a side boarding ladder as well. Synthetic teak throughout the transom and throughout the entire deck of the boat. Twin 300 Mercury outboards with a very nice interior color to match the contrasting decking in the boat. These seats will flip forward and aft. There's a table that opens up as well. Very convertible area right here. We have a grill. It's a Kenyan grill with a removable grate. Sink, cup holders, drawers, little refrigerator on this side. The seats that face forward, 3 buckets, Mercury's digital throttle and shift. It's all fly-by-wire. Joystick with skyhook and autopilot built in. Like I said earlier, we have a bow thruster, so that's going to give you an additional way of operating the boat when you're docking. So if you're not using the joystick, you can still use the bow thruster. Tilt wheel. Dual Simrad screens. All your switching for nav lights, bilge pumps, horn, wipers are all right here. So on this 32-foot boat, we have a cabin with ample place to lay down and rest for the evening. A great overnight boat, great boat for traveling and doing your excursions. Yeah. There is a head and the door does close in front of that. As we move forward in the boat, we have great bow seating, cushioned area. Anchor locker for the anchor and loan. If you look back at the boat now, you can see the hardtop, windshield wiper, easy access to the cleats on either side. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in this boat, please see us at MarineMax Huntington.